Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, welcome back to my channel. Well, one night in the van, and this is what we have going on. I just made the beds and everything because you have to when you have such a small space. Clem, unfortunately, was a little cold last night. She didn't heed my warning and paid the piper. But she survived, and we got her all suited up in that hoodie and everything else, and we fared well for the rest of the night. Fridge is running fine. The Jackery 1000 has 61% left on it, and it's been running this refrigerator solely since yesterday at about 10 a.m. And I don't have it hooked up to power or anything. I actually just want to see how long it will last. I also have my little charging station here hooked up, which charges my AirPods, my watch, and my phone. And I'll unplug that for the day because I obviously don't need to use that. But yeah, so far so good. And then I have a little battery over here, the Blue Eddy for Clemence, and she charges her iPad on it. And you're wondering, why does this kid bring her iPad? Well, two reasons. Number one, she has a streak going on Duolingo for 100 and some odd days, and she's very particular about it. So she already did her French lesson and her music lesson on Duolingo this morning, and I'm very proud of her. And I bring mine because there's a few games on it that she likes, but we're not on our iPads during the day. Just early in the morning when she gets up, and when we go to bed, she likes to watch veterinary shows. So I'm okay with that. What else? We had a great campfire last night, and no rain through the night, so I'm glad about that. I don't have a ton to clean up here. Over here, we've got our kitchen. It's still good. Looks like it's a little messy, but I'll just wipe all this down today. The kids are back from the restroom. And this is what I got going on back here. Garbage needs to get put away. I'll get things out to make some breakfast for everybody. And that's it. So far, so good. Oh, something I've done today. I made the front seat on the floor my laundry area. Simply because why? I'm not driving this car. Susie drives when we're here. So at the end, I'll get a bag and put my dirty clothes in the bag. But that is all. Susie's getting her act together this morning. The kids are ready for breakfast. And I'm going to get that going for them. So anyhow, that is all. Oh, by the way, it's supposed to rain pretty much all day today. So we're going to go to a bounce house and do some indoor things until the rain stops. And we'll come back to the campground this evening. But that's it, guys. If you have any thoughts or questions, hey, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to connect with you. And remember, bring what you need, not what you think you might need, just in case, because that is where the clutter begins, and we do not want to be cluttery van campers. So that is all. All right, that's it. I'll catch you guys later. Until next time.